What's going on, guys? Brought my oldest boy out here to Carlisle parking lot. Gonna teach him how to ride his bike for the first time. Trying to teach him how Butler Tech taught me. He seemed very, very knowledgeable. So, we'll see. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, Kenneth. It's his first time on it, guys. Just have him do the walk right now. Hey, Sean. See if he stalls it again.
That is hard on the arm.
It is. All right. You feel like you can go in first gear, put your feet up and ride around?
Oh my God.
If you feel you're ready to do that, you can. Keep it slow and remember that this parking lot has got a lot of loose gravel. Loose gravel is not your friend on a motorcycle. So that means you want to try to refrain from using your front brakes because it can kick you out. Go ahead.
I never used my back brakes yet.
Well, as I said, keep it slow, but put your feet up and see what you do. If you feel like you're going too fast, pull the clutch in, use your brakes. I feel like the lion tamer in the circus, standing in the middle of the ring, guiding the lions around. Hey, Casey. Hey, Wayne. Yeah, it's probably blurry because it's with the sun and signal and you can tell he's getting comfortable with it. It's getting a little faster. Hey, you feel okay? Go the other way. This is his very first time on his bike, on any motorcycle, other than riding, being a passenger. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and we'll try to keep you updated on where he's at. We're going to try to call, got tags for it, he got his temps yesterday, so we're going to try to call, see if I'll get insurance, and you might just see him riding beside me down the road. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace.